Yo.
South Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey. Southern Camden County in southern New Jersey. Gloucester County in southern New Jersey. Northeast of Squall County in southern New Jersey. Southeast and northeast of southern New Jersey. Until 7:45 a.m. 7:13 a.m. A dangerous snow squall was located.
Oh!
The line extended from near Surf City to Woodbury Heights, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: flash freeze on roads.
Oh,
Snow and
shoot!
gusty winds leading to blowing snow and visibility rapidly falling to less than 1/4 mile.
Oh,
Radar indicated. Impact. Travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. Atlantic City Expressway and Garden State Parkway will be affected by the squall.
oh,
Locations impacted include Byron, Atlantic City, Ocean City, Pleasantville, Glassboro, Hamilton, Summers Point, Ventnor City, Brigantine, Hickman, Northfield, Absecon, Clayton, Margate City, Paulsboro, Sweeney, Egg Harbor City, Tuckerton, Woodbury Heights, and Weymouth. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads,
First of all,
bridges,
I've got on
and
you.
overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for a sudden loss of traction. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions. The following is an extreme
Okay.
case.